Well, I'd have to say we're overjoyed with the reversal of the decision. And I think also really heartened by the outpouring of support, and support focused on making sure that women get the care that they need. And that was the primary focus of outpouring, to just make sure that low income and underserved women get the care that they need. I think what happened was there was a small and vocal minority of people that were pressuring the Komen Foundation, and unfortunately, that decision was succumbing to that political pressure. I think it was really disappointing and surprising, given our long-time relationship. This is a treasured ally, Komen. Planned Parenthood Health Centers, our primary mission is preventive health care, women's preventive health care. And then last year, for example, Planned Parenthood Health Centers across the country did almost 750,000 clinical breast screenings. Here in Washington, our affiliate did 3,000 clinical breast screenings in our 5 health centers throughout the DC metro region. So every day we stay focused on women's health, and we're glad that in this instance, women's health took precedent over politics, as it should.